how can you find specific phrases in a text messages on the iPhone? So let me show you how it could work. If you are new here, subscribe for more quick tips and guides like this one. So of course, whenever you get inside messages and go to specific chats, we don't have like a search feature for specific messages of that particular person. However, part of the main messages app, if you swipe down, you will see the search. I mean, it might be at the bottom depending on your software, but you can tap on the search and look something up. But if you want to look for phrases which are part of a specific conversation, you need to type in the name of the recipient or name of the contact at first, and then type in the phrase. So you can see I can type the name and then tap the thing. You can see that it filters out only the messages sent with that particular person. So that is how you can basically find it, right? So if you need a specific phrase, generally you don't have to type in the name of the person, but if you only want to filter through the chat of specific contact, then you need to type the name of the recipient of the contact, and at the beginning leave a space and then type in the phrase, and it should most definitely find it. If it's definitely, I mean, of course, if it's only part of the chat of the thread. But that would be all from me. I really hope that I could quickly assist you and help you out with that. Let me know what you think below in the comments. Subscribe for more tutorials and upcoming videos like this one, and I hope to see you later in the next videos too.